Topic 13, reteaching. So guys, you've learned all the basics of coins. We're gonna go into money next, but this is just wrapping up this section. So basically every single section gives you examples. You're also allowed to look back at previous lessons. That's fine. You can also use this counting money vocabulary sheet that I added in there if you forget anything. So take your time. I'll read it to you and then you're gonna keep going on your own. So set A. When you count coins, start with the coin of greatest value. Remember, greatest value does not mean largest. It means the coin that's worth the most. So here they give you something to help you remember. A $50 is worth 50 cents. A quarter is worth 25. Dime is 10, nickel is 5. So how I want you to do this, what we talked about before, is you do the value on the top. Quarter is worth 25 cents. So 50 plus 25 would be 75. Okay. The dime is worth 10. So if you're labeling on top, right, nickel is worth 5. So it makes it easy for you to add on every time. 75 plus 10 is 85. 85 plus 5 is 90 cents. So make sure that you're not getting lazy about this. Make sure that you're labeling each coin, starting at the largest value and working your way down. So the total is 90 cents. So what I would like you to do here, it says draw the coins shown from the greatest to the least in value. Count on to find the total amount. Please label each coin. Take your time to look at the pictures, look at the size, look at the colors. Then you're gonna redraw it here. Draw the one with the largest value, next, and the smallest, and then give me the total amount. So for example, here I have a nickel, so I'd put 5 cents. I have a quarter, so I'd put 25, and I have a dime. The largest value is going to be the quarter. The next largest value is the dime, even though it's smaller. And the smallest value is the nickel. What these lines are down here are for you to add it up as you go. So we start with 25 cents. We add another 10 cents, which would make it 35. And then we add the last 5 cents, which would make it 40 cents. So your total amount is 40 cents. So now you complete this one on your own. Set B. Find the total amount, count the bills first. Remember, this is a dollar bill. Then count the coins from the greatest to the least. It's the same thing we just did, except you're also adding in bills to the equation. Please label each coin, add up the money as you go, and give me the total. Set C. You can show the same amount in different ways. So when you're talking about, okay, if you wanted to go to the store and buy some sticky putty for $1, you could hand them a dollar bill. Cool, you could buy it. You could hand them 4 quarters. Cool, you can buy it. It's worth the same exact amount. So circle another way to show $1. If you walked in with 2 dimes and 2 quarters, that would be 25, 50, 60, 70. This would be a total of 70 cents. They would not let you walk out the store with that. This is a $50 and a $50, which would be 100 cents, which is the same thing as $1. So you could buy it with that. Over here, if you had 50 cents plus 25, 10, 10, and 1, 50, 75, 85, 95, 96. Dude, that's close. And it looks like a lot because there's 5 coins there, but it's not quite enough money. Very close, not enough. So make sure you're not just looking at which pile looks biggest. Make sure you're writing down the value of each coin, then adding it up and finding the exact amount. So write the name of the coin that makes this true. You want equal $1. So on this side, label each coin, figure out which one you need, and write the name of the coin. So you're writing penny, nickel, dime, quarter, $50. Same thing on this. Add up how much these cost together, label them, add up these, figure out what coin could go there. And then set D, last part. This is the organize a list. It's super fun. This is what we did yesterday. Again, read the name of the coin and label it. Don't be lazy turds. So dime is worth 10 cents, a nickel is worth 5, and a penny is worth 1. Here they give you an example. If you start with a dime, 10 cents. You can't use 2 dimes because that'd be 20 cents. That's already more than 13 cents because we're trying to get to 13 cents. So, okay, dime and nickel. Could you do 10 cents plus 5 cents is 15? That's too much. So do dime and then penny, penny, penny. That would equal 13 cents. That's fine. You can't use a dime again. So now we're going to move to 2 nickels. You could do 5 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13. That would get you 13 cents. Okay, you've used 2 nickels. Again, bringing down so there's a higher quantity of lower value. So you're going to have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cents. Okay, again, you want higher value, higher quantity with lower value. So if you've done 1 nickel, we're now going to move to no nickels and do it all pennies. So if you want 13 cents, you're going to have 13 pennies. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways, 4 ways to make 13 cents. This way uses 4 coins. This way uses 5 coins. 1 plus 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9 coins, and 13 coins. So this would be the way to do it with the least amount of coins. You only need 4 coins to pay 13 cents in this way. Using all pennies would be the most amount of coins. So now you're going to complete the list. Both times you have a nickel or a dime, a nickel, and a penny. Label how much they're worth. In this chart, you're trying to equal 11 cents every time. And in this chart, you're equaling 17 cents.